Hello everyone, welcome to our application Ignis, which focuses on smart supply chain management system. When we speak about smart supply chain management system, we're speaking about unified platform here where drivers, buyers and our sellers can place in the same platform and have all the statistical data. The main and the unique feature of our application is multilingual. Any Indian localates can use our application rather than just focusing on English. Our entire application is dynamic, nothing is static. As you can see in our application, we are going with Superbase and we have beautiful UIs and dashboards, which is pretty accurate here. We have focused on warehouse control center. For example, when a driver is going to a particular warehouse and he finds that entire warehouse is overfilled, in order to prevent that wastage of cost, so what we are doing is we track the warehouse overloads and put it into a website so that driver gets to know before he reaches to the location and might change to another warehouse. That's what is our primary motto here. We have other statistical data, but let's focus on AI Copilot. Basically, we have used Gemini model, which completely enhances our experience due to analysis of our entire database. Because it looks into our entire database is built on SQL, so it is easier to fetch for it. It analyzes the data. It's very easy to ask questions because I've asked various questions over here. You can just look into it, and these questions are just basic English. I've just asked normally, casually. Any seller can ask it. How many available drivers are there? How many stocks are pending? How many goods are traveling? All this comes out of your database, and Gemini is pretty good with handling our database and giving it in a very verbal format. And we have slight application settings in our entire project here. We have pretty similar interface for other two dashboard, but what is the difference in our buyer dashboard is we have provided payment gateway through our application where the buyer can just pay through our application, whereas a seller can decide the price and place an invoice to them, and all they can do is just pay through our application. No jhanjat, nothing. All we can just do is pay here, which will be recorded, and the invoice will be sent to the buyer. So the entire unified platform focuses on both the sides where buyer and seller have track of their payments and the orders. Our final part of the application is for the drivers, where the drivers can actually look into their salary or the amount they'll be earning through the trips. This adds an additional confidence through the trip. Obviously, they cannot focus on the warehouse changing. That should be described by the owner where, when, and what routes they are supposed to be taking. But in the future, we are planning to add notifications so that drivers can get to know which route to be chosen. And also the owners can get to know the anomalies. We will also be working on ML. We'll also be working on the weather. But right now we were focusing on multilingual and unified platform.